Hello everybody. In this video we are going to look at how we can add whole numbers up to 6 digits, and we are going to look at this question here, which is 234,621 add 25,745. We need to begin by putting these numbers into the correct column headings so that we can add them. And we'll start with this number here, and we will first put in the digit that is in the ones column, and as you can see here we have 1, and I will put that there. Next we look at the tens column, and you can see we have 2 tens. Then we have 6 hundreds. We have 4 thousands. We have 3 here in the 10,000s column. And finally, we have a 2 in the 100,000s column. Now we are doing an addition question, as you can see there. So I'm going to put my addition symbol here, just so that I don't do the wrong operation. And then I'm going to put the number that I'm adding also into the correct column headings. Again, we shall start with the units, or the ones, and we have 5 ones. We then have 4 tens. We have 7 hundreds. Let me do that 7 again. We have 5 thousands. And finally, in the 10,000s column, we have 2. Now that we have the numbers accurately in the place value columns, we can go down each column and add them together. So if we look at the ones, we have a 1, add a 5, which gives us 6 ones. And that can be written in the ones answer box, which is down here. We then, once we've corrected that 6, need to look at the tens column. We have 2 tens here and 4 tens here, which makes 6 tens altogether. In the hundreds column, we have a 6 in this section and a 7 here. So we have 6 hundreds, add 7 hundreds. Together, that equals 13 hundreds. Now, the largest digit you can have in any column is a 9. And that's because if we had 10 hundreds, it would be the same as 1,000. So the 7 and the 6, which equals 13 hundreds, we place the 3 hundreds into this column here. And then the 10 hundreds, which was the same as 1,000, we're going to move into the thousands column, just here, so we can add it when we get there. We can then move on to the thousands column. We have 4 thousands here, 5 thousands here, and we have the extra 1,000, which we moved across from the hundreds. So we do 4, add 5, which is 9, plus the extra 1,000 makes 10,000. As we said previously, the largest digit we can have here is 9, so we cannot put our 10 into the thousands column. So we place the 0 here, and the 10,000 moves into the 10,000 column. So that 1 moves over to here. We can then add the 10,000s column. We have 3 10,000s here, 2 10,000s here, and another 10,000s here. So 3, add 2, add 1 equals 6, which means we have 6 lots of 10,000. And we can finally move on to our 100,000s column. In the larger number, we have 2 in the 100,000s. And if there's nothing here, you just don't need to add anything on. So it's essentially 2 add 0. So we can put our 2 down here. And in this box here, we have our answer. So 234,621 add 25,745 equals 260,366.